Pole input section is where you assign your poles. Based on the type of configuration, you will have a list of poles over here. You highlight that pole, pick from the drop-down menu which pole you would like to use. These are from the design assumptions section. These are the defaults. If you had created a custom one, it would show up here. You select the pole and then hit save, and the pole will change or be updated depending on if you're starting a new design or you're working in a current one, as I am. This gives you a descriptor for what these values mean. After all the poles are assigned, you can go down and you can place attachments on the pole. Say if you had a pedestrian signal, you could pick a signal, pick pedestrian signal, pick the height above the ground that you wanted that signal to be placed, say 15 feet, and then your angle is going to be based on where you want the signal attached. Use these diagrams to decide where the signal is. Use this in conjunction with the layout tab to figure out your geometry. And I want to put this at 90 degrees and then add it, and it will show up on the diagram at the approximate location it's located. For wire spans, luminaire arms and mast arms are rarely ever used. For more information on these sections, see the pole inputs tutorial for the mast arm design, as it's just not used that much for wire span designs. We typically don't put arms on those. As mentioned before, if you have entered things into the attachment height calculator, it will give you a suggestion for each pole right here. If you haven't entered anything into the attachment height calculator, these suggestions will be invalid or not appear.